Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing fine. So I'm back today with another amazing DIY hair growth remedy for you guys. This one is one of the most effective I have ever used. So guys, in case this is your first time here, you're welcome. Please subscribe to join this family and click on the notification bell so you get notified for new videos. So without wasting time, I'm going to start right away. Here I have my clean jar that I'm going to be using to make this hair treatment, and the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make this hair growth spray is thyme. Thyme is amazingly good for natural hair. It helps your hair to grow. It helps to stimulate blood circulation in the scalp. It helps to stimulate your follicles. It also helps to keep your hair shiny and healthy. It helps to strengthen your hair strand also. So I'm going to be using thyme. So I added 3 tablespoons of thyme into my jar. Here I have it already, 3 tablespoons. And the next thing I did was to add hot water. I bought this water before, so I'm adding this hot water to my jar. This is just like making normal tea. If you're the type that drink tea, you normally use hot water, so I'm just going to be using it. Is just like making normal tea. Is a process, the same process. So after adding the hot water to my thyme, I went ahead to stir it and I covered my jar, and I'll be storing this overnight so that the thyme will infuse into the water. I'm going to be storing it overnight. You can store it for 2 days. You can as well store it for hours. If you don't have much time, you can store it for some hours. So this is the next day, guys. My hairspray is ready. As you can see, it is very dark in color, which means that my thyme has infused into the water. So I'm going to be straining it now. I'm going to separate the thyme from the water because I'm going to be using that water. So I went ahead to strain my water out. So this is my spray-in treatment. As you can see, it is ready. I'm going to go ahead now to add a few things just to boost the nutrients that it has. I'm going to be adding this essential oil. This is eucalyptus essential oil. It is very good for natural hair. Also, it helps to stimulate hair growth, and it also helps to keep your scalp healthy. So I added 8 drops of that eucalyptus essential oil, and then I went ahead to add tea tree essential oil. Tea tree is also good for natural hair. It also helps to stimulate hair growth. So I added 7 drops of tea tree into the water, and then I went ahead to transfer it into my spray bottle. And from this spray bottle, I'm going to be using it on my hair. So this is it. After transferring it into my spray bottle, is ready. My hair spray treatment is ready. So next I'm going to show you guys how I apply this to my hair. This is my protective style. I still have my hair in twist. I'm trying to grow my hair back using this twist method, and I've done it twice, and I've seen that it is very good for my hair. It helps me to manipulate my hair less, and it also keep it protected. So I'm going to be hydrating it and treating it with this spray in water treatment or spray in hair bath treatment. So I will just spray it on my entire hair and make sure it is well hydrated, and as I'm spraying it, I'm massaging it into my hair and scalp. So once I'm done spraying in the treatment, I'm going to massage it very well into my hair and scalp so It will allow my hair to absorb it, and after doing that, I'm going to go ahead to seal it in using this hair pomade that I made a few days ago. I have a previous video of how I made that. You can go ahead and watch it. So I'm just going to rub this on my hair and scalp to seal in the treatment that I just applied on. I'm going to be rubbing it on my entire hair, and then after doing that, I'm just going to put my protective style back on the bun, and then I'm good to go. You should use this treatment minimum twice a week, and you can use it every day, but minimum should be twice a week because your hair should stay hydrated and treated always so you can get good results. So thank you guys for watching this video to the end. See you. Talk to you on my next video. Bye bye.